Welcome this video. Depth idea for mobile house enhance your outdoor living. A well-designed depth can transforming a mobile house interior create an invite space to relax, entertainment and enjoy natural. Whether your mobile house is a choosy getaway to partition, add a depth, both rustic charm, interior living space, and even correction property value. You are some create and depth idea of mobile house to inspire your next project. Front pouch design. One of the most popular is a front pouch depth. A smart of mid-size depth at the first enhance way to your home and welcome look to often a support and morning coffee to green visitor. Keep it simple with wood, rain, and a few steps or add detail like litter, stale, and hen plants are smart of add functional. Consider a cover fence pouch with a referrer of Paglo. This not only provides shade but also protective your front door for weather waked.